Well, another IRS official has been removed from her post in the wake of the ongoing scandal involving the agency's improper scrutiny of conservative and Tea Party groups seeking nonprofit status. But controversy continues to swirl around that official and the agency itself. Fox News' Jennifer Davis has the latest.
I've been advised by my counsel to assert my constitutional right not to testify.
After refusing to answer lawmakers' questions this week about the scandal that erupted in her IRS department, Lois Lerner is out, at least for the short term, as head of the tax-exempt organizations division. She was put on paid administrative leave Thursday after reportedly rejecting a request by the IRS commissioner to resign.
I would have suspended her without pay. The other thing is we have to watch closely, because what they tend to do is they transfer people around and change their titles.
Lerner first revealed the improper IRS activity at a legal conference, and agents in her division were responsible. So House Republicans say they remain committed to bringing her back to testify, believing she waived her Fifth Amendment privilege by first making an opening statement proclaiming her innocence.
This is the problem we've had with the administration, is getting information from people who work in the administration. And I think if we could get that information, we could get to the bottom of this.
Democrats agree the IRS acted improperly and that answers are needed. But some don't see the point in trying again with Lerner.
And I think she had a right. She asserted her right. And I don't know what bringing her back in is going to accomplish.
Investigations continue on multiple fronts. 3 congressional committees are looking into the IRS activity, and the Justice Department has launched a criminal investigation. In Washington, Jennifer Davis, Fox News.